Lisa and Sons in Norwalk, and it's a Filipino bakery. And I just wanted to share with you yung mga presyo ng mga food nila dito. Grabe oh, it's yung maliit na macaroni salad. Teka, hold on, let me get the price. Maliit na macaroni salad, guys. I-convert natin sa pesos, almost 600 pesos. Maliit na container ng macaroni salad. That one na you guys see, that's like more than 1,000 pesos. Yan no, yung maliit na bowl na yan. Grabe no? Kaya talaga when you go to the Philippines, yung mga nakatira dito sa States, talagang ang dami nilang kinakain at dinadalang mga Filipino delicacies pabalik dito minsan sa States kasi ang mahal. Pero wala ka naman choice kasi if you want Filipino breads and everything, then bibilin mo talaga. So I just wanted to show you kung yung itsura ng Filipino bakery dito and kung magkano nila binibenta yung food nila. Like that small little bibingka, it's like more than 100 pesos. So ayan oh. It's very festive. And tingnan natin kung ano napili ni Austin. So anyways guys, I just wanted to show you yung ano nila dito.